Frustrated by Steam blocking your verification attempts? Steam now demands phone verification for account creation, trading, and community access. But using your personal number is risky. It exposes you to spam, targeted ads, and account theft if your number leaks. Free SMS sites get your accounts banned within days. Google Voice gets rejected immediately. MobileSMS.io solves this with real, non-VoIP SIM numbers that Steam actually accepts. For just $4.50, get a one-time number for quick account creation. Serious gamers choose our 30-day rentals for $30, perfect for trading, community features, and SteamGuard security. The process is simple. Sign up at MobileSMS.io. Deposit funds, select Steam as your platform, and get your number instantly. Enter it during Steam verification, receive your code, and you're set, with complete privacy protection. With numbers in over 100 countries and 24/7 support, MobileSMS.io is the trusted solution for gamers since 2018. Access your numbers across all devices with team integration for Discord and Slack. Manage multiple Steam accounts safely with flexible rental durations from 7 to 90 days. Unlike free SMS sites that get banned or VoIP services that get rejected, MobileSMS.io delivers real SIM reliability every time. Keep your personal number spam-free while creating accounts anonymously. Your data stays private with secure handling and minimal personal information required. Start with just $4.50 for instant account creation, or invest $30 monthly for complete Steam freedom. Our credit system gives you complete control with transparent pricing worldwide. Join thousands of gamers who protect their privacy while managing multiple accounts effortlessly. Access full trading features without compromising security. Real SIM technology ensures 99% acceptance rates with instant delivery and reliable SMS reception. Advanced users can integrate via API for fully automated account management. Get expert support whenever you need it with money-back guarantees on failed verifications. Visit MobileSMS.io today and create your account in under 2 minutes. Start creating Steam accounts without compromising your privacy. Game freely, trade safely, and protect your personal information. With MobileSMS.io, your trusted privacy partner since 2018.